kurwase county ya Kisii awase aboroki wabe University ya Kisii abo babere bagukora amasomo y'ebitambukiro aho litko lya rero baba bakubekerwa kigutwa umunyego wabo wekeranwa n'abarayi aho gati yabo umuwaziri w'Ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati egati y'abarayi banda bange nabo igo ababwatani b'Ekisemi okwana kinga kecho nigo mu vice chancellor we university yo abaga kubekerwa amaboko yo kurobokoreri asabaga kurira yo gokiya kubwatirana n'Ekisemo aho eliyo goikerania aliyabwenerete asogokinia ebirenko by'Ekisemi na sensemo yaye umuwaziri w'Ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu nigabaka gukwanira egati emeroberyo eyo serikali yabekirensemo yo kaineke abuna Ekisemi cyabere kigosirwa anene ase university chonsi imeyense ya Kenya mulike ito Mildred Momanye nekirana sayo no twarganiriro rwatyo rwasenchira iyo bekirano
nigo aborokiwa gwetania kiribu isato banyara kubekerwa kigutwa ase umuyiga okorekana ase University ya Kisii ase boigo omo vice chancellor omoya Professor Nathan Ogechi abekerwa amagoko yogo cyakora e university yo ase ababwatani aho b'Ekisemi bekerana bakoragwa no muwaziri w'Ekisemi Dr. Ezekiel Machogu omugabana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati ati abarayibande abange na boigo ababwatani b'Ekisemi korwa ki university nigo Professor Ogechi aine kiribuna nache kwane kiabuna ebirengo by'Ekisemi ase university yombikiko kina asa tebire nigo bayaliganetie ase emerobelyo kolengana no guchenchia gwe kalenda ya masomo.
I shall strive to create a collegial working relationship so that together we not only meet but also exceed our stakeholders' expectations. To our dear students, Kisii University will be the home of quality education and high academic standards will always be the hallmark of our service to you. Madam, we are aware that in 2029 we shall be receiving the first cohort of the CBC graduates. Therefore, we have initiated a conversation on how to prepare ourselves for the CBET when the year 2029 comes.
Omuwaziri w'Ekisemi Dr. Ezekiel Machogu nigo atebire gati emerobelyo babekire ase ogukinya ebirengo by'Ekisemi ase boigo atebire nigo babekire kibesa ensemo chogokinya sekti yo imensi ya Kenya.
Our target as a government is that each and every year we should be able to have a minimum of 1,000 because our public universities people who are teaching, the lecturers, PhD holders, we only have 47%, and the progression as we move forward, we want that particular percentage to get to 70%. Remember that you will be derived from ambassadors of Kisii University. Let us therefore see in you the values and the principles of Kisii University out there as you assume your various roles in national development.
Omugabana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati nigo atebire mbache kubwaterana University ya Kisii anene mono asogokinya amangana yobo chenu.
Therefore welcome you to Kisii, even as we explore more partnership in the health working relations between Kisii University and the county government of Kisii, such as the establishment of the medical school at KTRH.
Ase chinga kecho gati ya bali babekerwa kigutwa no mugabana bwe county ya Uasin Gishu Dr. Jonathan B asaganirie abarayibande goswa na gosoma.
Since I started, and so far I'm saying that it's very easy, but the grace of God has been sufficient. And I've challenged my brother Arati that now that you are seated in front, while I'm down there next, I will attend this graduation. I will sit right there and you sit down there. Just like me, that you cannot use PhD students.
Kolipota lya Ndizi TV, ile taliane Mildred Momanye.